today I'm back with today's video, and today we're going to be doing a slime review test to see how good it can stretch, how good it can poke, and how glossy and how clear it is. So let's get started. I can't show you all my slimes, but I can show you the new slimes. So let's get started. So today we're going to be testing this one and the new one I made. So yeah. So this one is my cookie dough one. I know it's like the pancake one. My pancake one is over there. This one is my cookie dough one. And that's fake snow in it. So yeah, I can't tell you the rest until we get to 18 subscribers. So yeah, so let's test this out. So let's see if it can stretch. Wow, it can stretch it really good. So let's see if it can poke. So yeah, so that's the other review. So let's move to the next one. So next one we have is this one. This one is my M&M one. This one is this is my not my M&M one. This is my cookie. My cookie dough slime, and I'm so glad I'm with you guys because I don't usually keep my door closed, so really a big thing to me. So yeah, see how good and stretchy it is. So let's see if it can stretch. Okay, that was a fail again. Oh my gosh, a bead fell out. And so it can't stretch out well, but it has a good feeling to it and really good. So yeah. It's really good. It's just I wish that the fake snow wouldn't ruin it a bit, but I added a bit of fake snow into it to get this texture. And lotion. Did I just tell you guys it? Did I just tell you guys my... Oh, I didn't tell you all of it. I just said lotion and fake snow. Nothing else. When we get to 18 subscribers, which I'm hoping for, until then, you'll never feel this texture. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Sorry. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't take it offensive. I guess I could tell you. So it's fake snow lotion and sorry guys. I just couldn't tell you guys until we get to 18 subscribers. But look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you my new slimes that I just made, but I can show you guys again. My camera is shaky again. So bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, please. And buy my LOLs and have fun, and please say I don't know what, I forgot what I was about to say. Did I literally forget what I was about to say? Okay, whatever. Okay, so have a fun day and have a good weekend. So buy my LOLs. I see you guys next Friday. Bye!